So okay guys, we're walking along here and we're going towards the park. I just left Erica, her office. Awesome person, really awesome person. You got to consider her for your dental work. I've known her since like 2006, 2005, but we became friends like when I came back from the States in 2012. So let's look at it. I don't want to get hit by a car anytime soon. The police station is right over there. I stay away from that because they'll be very cranky. That's what happened last time. So here, and that's the park, and the church is behind that. So I'm going to show you all of this right here in Copacabana. I'm right here in Copacabana. You got the ice cream shop there. Ice cream shop. You got all kinds of things around here. Copacabana, look at that. There's one of the buses that is here for the town, inside the town. And that's the bus that goes to Medellin. That one takes you to Medellin and back from Medellin. There are two routes. There are two routes that go to Medellin and back. One is through Machado and the other one is through the highway. So you can choose whichever you want to go through. Let's cross the street. They have remodeled a lot of things here. So this is Copacabana, very lively town. Let me get out of the way of the motorbike. So look at here, people hanging out in the park. This guy selling some things and all of that. Let's see what else we can see. A big kiosk right over there, big kiosk. Hola. Ah, hermanito, sorry, no dinero. Well, he's asking me for money. I thought he was going to say something different, but he's asking me for 200 pesos to buy some gum. But I just don't give money to people these days unless I really feel like it. But he didn't give me that kind of energy that he really needed the money. Maybe for something else. Copacabana, a la madre. That's a tribute in veneration and respect. Back in May of 1943. 1943. And this is the big kiosk. This business right here is a big kiosk. Wow, look at that. And then we got this tree. It's called a gualandai tree. Gualandai tree. Wow, that's a gualandai tree. Let's go over here. See what else we can see, guys. See what else we can see. People are having their ice cream and everything. And there goes the church. That is the church. I'm just staying away from the police station because they'll get cranky-ranky on me. And this is the church. Look at the church. Wow. I've been coming to this town since 2002 or 2003 to visit my good friend Luis Uribe, one of my heartfelt friends from way back. We met back in 2002, 2000, what is it? Yeah, 2001 or 2002 or 2003 when I had broken up with my ex and everything back in those days. So look, we got all kinds of things here, and the park life and the old school parish dispatch office. That's for the church, and that's the church. And there goes the tower, clock tower up there, and that's the park. And this is only like 25 minutes from downtown Medellin by car or by motorbike. But if you take the bus, might just be just a wee bit longer, just a little longer. And this is a happening town, and storm clouds are coming. So yeah, let me show you something more in a minute. Estoy haciendo un video para YouTube. ¿Cómo es su nombre? José. José, muchas gracias, don José. Que esté bien. So that was Mr. Jose. He wanted to find out about the camera and everything and whatever. So I let him see the camera. He wanted to see it. And here we are. Wow, some rain clouds are coming. This is the town. This is Copacabana, the fountain, water fountain, the tree. Different type of trees here, as you can see. It's a nice place, happening place if you want to come here and chill out and sit. If you live here, I mean, it's not a touristy place. It's not about tourism. But, and you got a lot of Banco Colombia cajeros. I got to go to the bank. Catch you in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to continue. I did what I needed to do. And this is Copacabana. And it looks like it might rain. And they're just blasting the music over there like crazy. Loud a cacophony of music sometimes. What can we do? This town is famous for the Orange Fair, the Orange Festival, La Fiesta de las Naranjas. So you should think about it. I don't remember when it is during the year, but I'll post it on the screen. That's ASEB, the company up there, ASEB. They make washers and refrigerators, washing machines and all of that. And this is the main park. So I'm gonna turn this camera off in a moment. I'm gonna show you the kiosk, and that's it. Because the police station is right up ahead, and I just want to avoid the police station and all of that. And some honor here in October 2019 for some patriotism, honor, and loyalty, and whatever that is, I have no idea. But anyhow, so this is the kiosk, municipal kiosk here in Copacabana, and people just do their thing. It's a restaurant. So the restaurant is closed, but I'm going to continue doing my thing. And usually it's open at night. And look, beautiful view of the mountain over there towards veggie. A beautiful view. I hope you like Copacabana. Bye bye, y'all. Bye bye. Take care. So I'm about to get on the motorcycle here, my motorbike. Where the keys, and it was a fun time. I know I said goodbye before, but whatever. I love being on camera for you guys and showing you what's going on. Let me just get the helmet out of the thing here, and that's it. I gotta change this lens soon enough. It looks like it's cracked. I just don't have time because I work from home, and today I gotta go back home quickly, back to the country house up in Guardia. So this is Copacabana, baby. This is Copacabana here. So catch you later. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like. Okay, this is one area. This is the Plaza Mercado, the Market Plaza here, Copacabana. I saw this before leaving town right now, so let me just show you. This is the industrial shop area with the supermarkets and all that. Mercados, El Primera. You can buy a lot of food and everything for lower prices than normal, and a lot of deals. So check it out. So Copacabana is a nice town. It is a nice town to live in if you don't want to live in Medellin. It's about 30 minutes to 40 minutes from El Poblado, or from downtown Medellin is about 30 minutes. Something like that. You take the bus and then the metro if you're not going to get a car. It's a nice town. It's very quaint, very busy, very social. So, and you can go on hikes from there to El Morrón, which is also Copacabana. I have a video about El Morrón, hiking up to El Morrón. I'll leave the suggestion up here. Take care, guys. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful evening, a beautiful morning, whatever it is. Beautiful journey. Happy travels, happy trails.